Hello students. So we have done the exercise 9.1 and today I will start the new topic, that is conversion of metric measures. So this converting the units is very useful in maths as well as in science. So you have to understand this, you have to learn this very nicely. Okay. So first thing, converting smaller units to bigger units. So how to convert the smaller unit to bigger unit? Okay, so you have seen the higher units than lower units. That means higher means bigger units and lower means smaller units. So to convert from smaller unit to bigger unit, always you have to divide. Okay, by what number you will divide? The relation between the units, the numbers which you will see, like 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, like this, the relation. So the main thing, you have to divide by that number. Okay. So write this in your notebook. This is the very important point. To converting smaller unit to bigger unit, that is to convert from a smaller unit to bigger unit, we divide. So this is the first rule. Okay. Let's start the examples given in the book. So example number 1, 539 centimeter to meter. So you have to convert centimeter to meter. So you have to see centimeter is smaller and meter is bigger. So smaller to bigger unit, you have to divide. So what is the relation between them? 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So you have to divide this number by 100. Okay, so 539 by 100. That is in meter, 5.39 meter. Understood? So the next example, see. So 426 mm, that is millimeter to centimeter and millimeter. That means in both the units you have to convert. So it's smaller to bigger. So what is the relation? 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. So you will divide this by 10. 420 by 10. Okay. And this 426 was there. So you'll break it 420 plus 6. So 420 by 10, that is in centimeter, and 6 is in millimeter, because here the question is you have to keep this in both centimeter and millimeter. So that's why you have done like this. So these are some examples are given. Now see this 832 milligram to gram. So smaller to bigger. So what is the relation? 1 gram equal to 1000 milligram. So you have to divide it by 1000. Okay. So here you can see next example 6, 4825 milliliter into liter. So 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So you have to divide by 1000. Understood? So let's start the exercise now. So exercise 9.2, question number 1 is which is greater. That means you have to identify which which number and which unit is greater. So a number is 30 meter or 300 centimeter. So you will not see the numbers. Okay, do not confuse with numbers. So some students will see that 300 is more than and 30 is less. That means this is greater. No, this is wrong. You have to see the units. Here the unit is meter and here the unit is centimeter. So you will compare the units, not the numbers. So which is greater, meter or centimeter? Meter is greater. Okay, obviously centimeter is smaller. So 30 meter is greater. B number 37 meter or 0.027 kilometer. So here meter and kilometer given. So which is greater? Kilometer is greater than meter. Then 45 kg or 4500 gram. Okay. So which is greater? You have to see here now. So kg is obviously greater than gram. So it is greater. Now see 9 centimeter, 96 millimeter. So which is greater? Here you will see 9 centimeter and 96 meter is millimeter given. So here you have to see the number also, because when you convert 76 millimeter to centimeter, it is coming greater. So this is greater. Now question number 2, convert the following into meters. So you have to convert this question, centimeter given, you have to convert in meter. Okay, let's see. So here you can see 15 meter and 9 centimeter. So the question is convert this in meter. So you can see 15 meter is already in meter. So no need to convert this. We have to convert only this 9 centimeter into meter. So what to do? So we'll separate these two things, 15 meter plus 9 centimeter. Okay, separate like this by giving plus sign. We will not touch this because this is already in meter. We'll write as it is. Now we'll convert this 9 centimeters. So the rule comes. So to convert a centimeter into meter, we'll always divide. So by what we'll divide? We'll divide by 100 because the relation is 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, so 9 divided by 100. Now it is in meter. Here write the meter, and here write the reason also, because 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, this is the reason. Now 15 meter plus 9 by 100. 9 by 100 is what? Now I will convert this in point. So there are two zeros in denominator. That means where the point will come before two digits. So you know already these things, how to convert this. So 0.09 meter. Okay, now both the things in meter. So when you add this 15 plus 0.09, so it will come 15.09 meter. Understood? So you know how to add 15 here in the top and 0.09. So here nothing is there, so you will have to add extra zeros here, then plus. So this is 9, this is 0 plus 0, point will become here, then 5 plus 0, 5 and 1. So 15.09 meter. So in this way you have to convert this in meter. Now it is converted in meter. Okay. Now second question, B number 168 centimeter. So B number 168 centimeter you have to convert. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. You have to write this always. Okay. So 168 centimeter is given, will divide by 100 to convert in meter. So 168 divided by 100. Okay. So it is now in meter. So you know how to convert fraction into decimal. Two zeros are there. That means point will come before two digits. That means 168 is there. So point will come before two digits. That means here. So it is 1.68 meter. Understood? Very easy. So you will do these two questions C and D in homework. Understood? So now convert 3 number. Convert this as directed. That means it is given here what to convert 256 millimeter into centimeter and millimeter. Okay. So to convert this 256 millimeter into centimeter and meter, that means you have to break it in two parts. So how to break? 256 millimeter given. So what you will do? 250 plus 6. Okay, like this you will break it. So right here 250, what is it? It is millimeter plus how many remaining? 6 remaining. 6 millimeter. Okay, in this way. So it is now broken into two parts. So we will convert, we need centimeter and millimeter. That means this part will be in millimeter only. The first part will be in centimeter. So this part you have to convert in centimeter. So millimeter to centimeter, that means smaller unit to bigger unit, you will always divide. So what to divide? How, by which number we have to divide? You have to divide by 10, because 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. This is the relation. So you will write 250 by 10. Now it is in centimeter plus 6 millimeter. We don't have to touch this, no need to convert this, because it is only in millimeter now. Now cut this 0 cancel. So it is what? 25 centimeter. And now no need to give the plus sign now. Write down directly 6 millimeter. So this is the answer. 25 centimeter and 6 millimeter. Now it is converted in centimeter and millimeter. So what is asked in the question? It is converted like this. So you have to break into two parts. Then one part will not change and the other part will change. You have to convert it. Understood? So now B and D is a homework. Now let's see C number 204 meter into kilometer. So 204 meter into kilometer. So we know the relation there. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So this is the main relation. So what we do? You have to divide meter by 1000, because smaller unit to bigger unit. So 204 by 1000. Okay. So now it is in kilometer. So how to convert this in decimal? 204 by 1000, that means 3 zeros are there, that means the point will come before 3 digits. So 204 and point will come here before 3 digits and give here extra 0. So it is in kilometer now. Okay, remember, so no need to divide like this. Okay, by normal divide do not do like this, only convert the fraction into decimal like this. Understood? So I have told you today these topics, smaller unit to bigger unit you have to divide, and how to do question number 2 and question number 3. So practice the remaining questions and see this nicely. Okay, we'll see the next questions in the next video. Thank you.